Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create skull editing using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, make sure you have installed CapCut application on your mobile phone, and then you're going to create a new project, and then you can import the video that you want to edit. And for me, I'm going to choose this video. And wait guys, let me speed up my video because it's too slow. Okay. And then I'm going to split my video. I'm going to split it here guys, and select split. Okay, and then I'm going to freeze. Where is it? We can scroll all the way to the right until we find the freeze menu. Okay, and then I'm going to delete this video. Wait, I'm looking for the delete button. Okay, here. And I'm going to add skull green screen. I'm going to add the skull green screen as an overlay. Wait, I'm going to select this skull green screen, and then I'm going to remove the green screen. We can go to the remove background menu and choose chroma key and remove the green screen like this, and then I'm going to duplicate it. I'm going to select duplicate menu, and I'm going to overlay it, okay, like this. And I'm going to cut the video. Wait guys, let me adjust it. Wait. Okay, and I'm going to cut the skull green screen, and we're going to apply keyframe. Okay, I'm going to add the first keyframe here and the second keyframe, and then I'm going to zoom in like this, and I'm going to reduce the opacity. So we can go to the opacity, and I'm going to make it around 30. Okay, done. And I'm going to add curve to the keyframe. We can choose the quad out. All right. And then to this video, you're going to apply video effect. You can choose shake. Oops, sorry. Search shake effect. Choose this one, and then you're going to adjust it. I'm going to reduce the speed and also the intensity around 20. Okay, click on the check mark, and then I'm going to apply another effect. You're going to search rebound swing. Okay, this one, and then you can adjust the effect. I'm going to reduce I'm going to increase the speed and the intensity. Okay, like this. Click on the check mark, and let's play it. Alright, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!